Hello everyone. This is Suchishmita from Skyy Rider Institutions. So we have today with us Dakshinamurthy. He has enrolled for a course for PGP in Automotive Designing and Manufacturing, and has currently been placed with Precision Equipments Private Limited as a graduate engineer trainee mechanical. So hello Dakshinamurthy, how are you?
Yeah, hello, ma'am. I'm fine. I'm great.
All right. So I would like to ask you, how did you come to know about Skyy Rider Institution and how did you join Skyy Rider Institution?
Yeah, after completing my BTech mechanical degree, I was searching for job, but to be in a good position for a job, I need to be enhanced with my not only with my mechanical engineering degree, but also I have to improve my skills and in my interest. So I searched for courses, in local and for in case if the course is somewhat enhanced, so I chose for online mode. So I gone through Skyy Rider Institutions, which one of my friend recommended. He was also searching for same course, so we both joined equally in this PGP on automotive course. So that's how I came into this.
Understood, understood. So you said you chose online. So how was your experience with online training? Because sometimes it's difficult to understand concepts when it's online.
Yeah. At first, I thought it may not be a good choice to make online because the course itself is like one. It should be carefully understood, and it should be one-to-one, so that it everything can be perfect. Everything will be perfect. So, but in online mode, because I'm in southern part of India, so it's quite difficult to travel from here to there for a course. So I opted for online modes, but I'm afraid of that. But you know, I ask some questions about what will be my timings and how can I can uh, both converse. I mean, the teaching and the understanding things. So they also said that it will be uploaded in the via Google spreadsheet if I also miss the class. So it's a great initiative. So that's why I confirmed, and the course was very good. I have some software class, and also I have theory classes. So in theory classes, every teacher converse with every students in the course. So it's I also got more convenience in order to understand the each and every syllabus. So in for the software course, the software link, I mean the download link was given, and every instructions was given to us before the class started. Then they teach everything during the class. If any doubt rises, we can also share our screen, and we can interact with the teacher. So it was very good. So no issues was faced.
Understood. So we have students pan India, so that's why we always try to keep the experience of online training as good as offline training, because sometimes it's very important when you're taking online to have that experience that you understand everything technically. So how are the trainers and their approach towards to solve your doubts or queries in?
So every trainers were thorough in their syllabus, so that we can get each and every topics get covered, and the approach was very polite, and every doubts was clear and here and then. So even if the class are over, we can text them through WhatsApp. So they also answered us whenever I raised the question. So we have we have a WhatsApp group, so that every teachers and students are in the same group. So it was very easy to understand for everyone, not only me, but everyone can understand the topics, and it was very good.
Understood. So what were the ways that to access your training progress? What are the ways?
Yeah, we had Google Classrooms, and in which every subject's syllabus are updated and the assignments are updated, so that we can complete through the same Google Classroom itself. So the videos are recorded every day, each and every day, and it's been uploaded in the Google spreadsheet, so that we can access anytime we want. So it was, sometimes I get doubts in the late nights or early morning. So it was not very depending. It was very independent, so that I can access the video and the doubts can be cleared that time. Yeah.
Understood. So, how did this training program help you to gain skills and make you industry ready?
Yeah, we also had not only for even though I opted for automotive designing course, it's also covered with theory parts in the industrial knowledges, so that like CNC, then hybrid electric vehicles, so that every I can understand, I can correlate with what are all the happenings in the industry. So without even doing an internship, I done internship, but only with a particular industry, so that even though if it is not related to the internship, but it can be understand in the same course itself. So it was very easy to know that.
Understood. So, how far is the experience with the training program, and how was your placement experience with us?
Yeah, I thought I might able to get a job in my locality itself, so that I can stay in my home and I can commit to the industry. So for I got if they insist every company's details, so that where we can, whenever we are ready, always we are ready. But whenever we see that message, we can say that we are available in the location, so that I can attend the interview. So when I saw the interviews in my location itself, so I just went through the company details, and I talked with the placement department in the Skyy Rider Institutions, so that they made clear about the what position is going to be I going to get. So then I attend the interview, then I cracked it. So
That's really great. So, what would you recommend to other working professionals or students, who are moving to, or who wants to join Skyy Rider Institution, or who wants to upskill themselves?
Yeah, when I saw the course structure, it said that 7 months online class and 3 months training program in offline mode. So I first thought, how come I can do the 3 months program in the time. So, but even before that, I got a placement opportunity in the 6th month itself. So it's not very much thinking about the offline programs. Even the online is really great. So we location is never a option for today's time. So even after 2 years after pandemic, we can also we learned to sustain in the online mode itself. So teaching is great here. So doubts can be cleared here. So nothing issues about that. But we can be we have to be ready for the interview, so that we can crack the opportunities will approach every time with us all time. So the placement is good here. So yeah, I can select the which location you can go, and which department you should go, then just you can continue with that. So
That's really good. It's really good to hear that we could help you with your location problem. Once again, congratulations on being placed, and thank you so much for sharing your valuable feedback with us today. Thank you so much.
Thank you.